Alt and Shift or Option and Shift on the Mac have multiple great combinations on the table. If I click on the cell and hold on the Alt or Option key and press End, it will go end of the rows of this column, and Alt or Option Home will come to the first column in the cell, same row. Of course, if I hold on the Alt Shift or Option Shift on the Mac, I could select entire row, or opposite, and the very end, Alt Shift and Home. Also, if I hold on the Alt or Option key and use Page Up, it will go very top of same column, and Alt or Option Page Down will go very bottom row of this column. And again, Alt Shift or Option Shift on the Mac, Page Up, or Alt Shift or Option Shift and Page Down. And note that if I was in some middleware and hold on the Alt Shift and, for example, press Page Down, it will select the down rows, or Alt Shift and Page Up. Still, I could hold on the Alt Shift and then press Page Down to add to my selection to have entire column. And if I click here again and hold on the Shift, Alt and Control and then press Page Up, it will select from here to very first cell. And for the end, it is not selecting something like that. Note that Alt, Shift, Control, and Page Down will select entire rows until end of the column.